Hi everybody, and welcome back to this third part of the Huacan brand sale unboxing of the three paintings. This is part 3, and this one is my favorite of the 3 that I ordered. It's the one I really kind of wanted, and my husband really likes it too. And with this one, I actually think I'm going to do a drill with me. I'm going to do few videos where I'm actually working on it so you can see progress as it comes along, and I think it's totally appropriate for when I'll probably finish it for the time of year. This one, let me just actually open the cellophane, which is actually sealed really well on this one, and I'll show you the picture really close up once I get this open. That would probably be better. Leave the suspense for a little bit longer. Just put that over there, clean it up later. Just cut the tape on this. Okay, so this one is 45 colors. It is 70 by 50, and it is so, you know what, I'm going to get it off the front roll. And I'll show you. It is so cool. It's Jack Skellington, and it says, oh, come on, focus. I'll try to insert a link to it as well in the comments of the video. It says Skellington's Pumpkin Ale, and it's actually really kind of cool. I'm afraid though it's going to be so much black, and it's a huge canvas, and this foam core, wow, it came in, oh my god, I've never seen this. It came in 2 little pieces, and I know Ella would be looking at this right now going, oh my god, this is perfect for my drill pen. And you know what, I might actually try that because my hands have been bothering me lately, and I tried actually coloring the other day in a coloring book, and my hands still hurt, and that was over a week ago. Actually, it was a week ago. So I might actually take one of Ella's little tricks and actually stick a drill pin in here and drill away with it and see what happens. But that is like the perfect size for that already. It's just kind of weird that they had this little tiny, keep going the wrong way, little piece along with this absolutely huge piece in there to make it up. Or actually it might have even broken in transit the way it looks. No, it was cut. They don't fit together. They don't fit. It's just weird. And again, my kitten will probably have fun playing with the core. Oh my god, it's actually in 3 pieces. I lied. It's in 3 pieces. So this actually might have actually broken in transit. That is so strange. It came off each end. Oh my god. That actually does match up with that piece. And this one, I'm positive, probably will match up here. Yeah, it was one big piece, and somehow this foam core broke in pieces in transit, but the canvas is perfect, and it wasn't cut. It's not an even. It's weird. It looks like it was broken off. So let's pull this back and take a quick look at the canvas. And oh my god, yeah, it's black. It's got so much black, but the wording, I can already see the scripty S from the Skellingtons showing up on this. Oh my god, it is gonna be so cool when it's done. And yes, if you notice at the top of my desk, there's a couple of weird bottles sitting up here. One of them is rubbing alcohol that I keep. It's to take the permanent marker off my containers if I mark them with that. So Just kind of really soak some paper towel or something and just wipe it off. It's easy. I'm not big on labels. I don't like peeling labels off in the residue, so and you can actually see from there how detailed this is. You got actually the camera view is better than the view I'm getting. You can see his face in here and the words across. Of course, you guys have it upside down, but oh my god. And of course, there's a mug here, and you can even see the little pumpkin in it. Oh, and his hand's holding it. You can see his hand. The detail in this is going to be phenomenal. The shading in his jacket, his bow tie, or whatever it is. Oh my god. I can't. I'm so excited to do this one. And I just put a wrinkle in that. I'm just looking at all the black. Oh. And all I'm thinking is 45 colors, and most of this is black. Is there confetti in here somewhere that I don't know about? Where are the other 44 colors coming from when I see nothing but black so far? So I'm just going to flip this around, and we will take a look at the bottom, and I'll fix up that side. And try not to rip the paper. Yep. Solid black. Well, black with little bits in between, but oh my god, those are going to be so fun to pull out. It's going to be so confusing. Oops, and I forgot about the tape again and nearly ripped the paper. Oh, I always forget when they tape the canvas to take the tape off. I cut it, but I just ripped that. And I so just ripped that. Let's try not to rip it any further. Still on the outside glue, so that's good. Oh, now you can see the rest of his jacket. I'm just waiting to see how I'm trying to remember what the small words were. I'm having trouble actually seeing it on the actual photo. What does that say? Can't remember. Let me see if I can pull up the actual thing so I can tell you exactly what it says, because it says pumpkin ale here. But I'm just going to pull up my order from AliExpress so I can actually tell you what the wording in here is supposed to be, because I don't remember. And it's funny because I looked at it just to kind of remind myself of what it actually looked like. It says Royal Craft. So this is Royal Craft, and this is spiced. And now that I've looked at this, I can actually clearly see that I can see better that this is an ROYAL, and even in the actual video, it's clearer than what I'm seeing when I look at the view that the camera's getting. So through the camera, it's really pulling up what it is. And this is a barrel here. This one's going to be so much fun. So I'm going to do this and hopefully have it ready and done by Halloween. So I plan on taking this one, kitting it up, and actually taking it to work with me and working on it there and working on it here. And when I'm here, I'll tape it when I'm at home. So you guys, we can do kind of a drill with me with it. And the way that works is, why I take it to work is, I actually, if I took the public transit to work, it would take me roughly an hour and a half to get to work. I start work at 9 o'clock in the morning. My husband actually works just up the street from me, but he starts work at 7. So he starts work 2 hours before me, works a 12-hour shift, so he finishes at 7. I finish at 5. So what happens is he usually drops me off at work, because if I took the public transit, I would have to leave 20 minutes, half an hour after he did, and then take the transit and sit on transit for an hour and a half. It just makes more sense for me to go in the car with him. I can sit at work, relax before I start my day, and work on something like this. And I can work on it for a couple hours at work, where I couldn't do that if I was at home. Oh my God, there is 2 bags of 310. There's 2 bags of this. It is crazy. This one, the label's stuck. This one is stuffed full. It moves, but it's not really that squishy. And then this one on the side just has a handwritten note on what it is. So that's one. And again, I'm just going to take these out. And I've got some loose drills again. They're so weird. That's 3 packages. 3 paintings and 3 sets of loose drills, but it's only 2 of them. And actually I have a feeling, yeah, they're 510s. Or 310s. So let's take a look at this bag and make sure. Yeah, it looks like they're trying to make a break for it. So I'm just going to drop those in there and put that aside. So once again, 45 colors. So I'm going to make my piles and start with this one. I know it's kind of weird because I'm sorting it out and then I'm resorting it out. I'm actually going to do this slightly different this time. I'm actually going to compare it to the canvas, because I'm actually going to kit this one, because this is the one I'm going to take back and forth. And I'll do that again. I'll break the video and I'll do that in a separate one, because I actually have this system that I'm going to use for the kitting, and I think some people have actually seen it before. I think Wendy from Gone Off My Meds has showed it. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I think it was her I first saw them from, and it's phenomenal. I actually love this little package that it'll come in. So the only problem is I don't know what I'm going to do with the 310s, because it's only 49 containers, there's 45 colors. So sometimes when there is less colors, if it was 30 colors, I would fill multiple containers in this package with the 310s, and then I would, from there, I would just use them. Empty one, go on to the next, and then we just put them together. But in this case, with there only being 49, I can fill a couple containers to make sure I have enough 310s when I'm going back and forth, but because I don't want to carry an extra bag with me, it's not convenient. Not only that, when I'm at work, once I'm actually working, I don't want my stuff taking up a lot of space. I work at a UPS store. I'm a graphic designer, and it's actually a very small store, so there's limited space where we can put our stuff. I just usually kind of do it in the back before I start. It's nice that we actually have a space where we can go and, eat our lunch or whatever we're doing before we start work or during work, and we're kind of out of view so people aren't bugging us. We actually get a break. And since I'm the second, would be normally the second person in, the other person that's in wouldn't actually be in the back. So I'm not actually taking up any of his, any space or whatever that he would use. And it's kind of funny because they all kind of look at it and go, oh my God, what did you get this time? So anyway, back to looking at this. So this is 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4 is in my hand. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31, 32, 32, 33, 34. It's funny, the next darkest color is the 3371. So there's no, I was going to say there's no 939s, but yeah, there is. But it's just a small bag. Most of it's black. 33, 4, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Yes, so all the colors are here. This time, I'm not going to put them back in this bag and put them away because, like I said, I'm going to set this up so that I can transport it back and forth to work. What I generally use is just a mailing tube. We have those cardboard mailing tubes, and I just get one of those and I roll this up and put it inside. I have my diamonds in my storage system that I can easily carry back and forth, and done. So anyway, that's the end for this video. The next video I'll show you how I arrange this to take back and forth to work, and then we'll be done until I get more or until I do a drill with me. So thank you for watching. Or I might actually, do a video of that large one I have and just show you, even though it's unboxed. Because it is just massive. I have no idea how I'm going to do this because I don't even think that it will fit on this table to do. I'm actually kind of really nervous about that. So I have no idea how I'm going to work on it. We have a king-size bed and it pretty much took up half of it. It is 5 feet long and like 3 feet wide, so it's huge. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I will link, try to link all the paintings to the AliExpress store in the comments below. I will try to link all 3 paintings in each video so that if you're interested in one, you can actually just click on any of them and go there. Until next time, have a good night and thank you for watching. Take care of each other.